How to download Robinhood app. If you're looking to start investing or trade stocks, Robinhood is a popular app to consider. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Robinhood app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. Once the store is open, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner and simply search for Robinhood. Look for the official Robinhood app. Be sure it's the official app to keep your data safe. Now simply tap on Get in the Robinhood app. Once you've tapped on the Get button, you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or simple double click to install. Simply do that if you're on iPhone. Once you've done that, the app will begin downloading. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds or a minute. And that's it. That's how you can simply download Robinhood app on your phone.